Good morning, everyone. So we'll start today the session of swing trading using the Profitkhoj indicator. I know it's a Saturday morning, so everyone will be sleeping. Anyways, I have to start this streaming because I have some work later on, so I have to finish it. That's why I kept the session morning. So let's start. So first of all, what is swing trading? This swing trading is when you are buying at a low and selling at a high, or when you are buying a breakout and selling higher. What you're doing is you're trying to catch an entire leg. For example, here if you buy somewhere here, you're trying to catch this cash on this leg. That's the swing trading for me at least. So how to use this indicator for swing trading? First of all, for the swing trading, trend is very important. You should always try to trade in the direction of the trend. Counter trend, swing trading are a bit risky. So what I suggest is use the stock flow indicator. Check out the stocks that are in uptrend. Make a watch list like this. Then you can filter out the stocks manually. For example, we'll take Adani board first. So for swing trading, our higher time frame will be 1 hour. This is the time frame for analysis, and our entry time frame will be 5 minutes. So you can see here now, this is clearly an uptrend. Adani boards. For those who do not understand uptrend downtrend, you can see for the arrow here. If blue arrow is the last one, then it is an uptrend. If the last arrow is a maroon one, then it is a downtrend. So we will look into the stocks only after a blue arrow is formed for buying. So once a blue arrow is formed, we know that these stocks are in an uptrend now. So we'll be looking to buy it on retracement. So now I am hiding the Profitkhoj indicator. We know that there was an arrow here, right? So what we are going to do is use Fibonacci tool to mark out areas that we are waiting for the stock to retrace back, and then we will enter. So Fibonacci you should mark on the swing, like for me this is a swing and this is another swing, this is another swing, right? So as we saw that the blue arrow originated here, so after that we are looking to buy, right? So what we do is mark the swing like this. We wait for the stock to come to this zone. Okay, so Fibonacci, first I will I want to tell something about the Fibonacci. So you go to drawing tool. The first tool is the Fibonacci retracement. You select it, draw it on the, draw it anywhere, and right click on it. Go to setting. Keep these settings. Why? I will tell you later. So we are trying to enter into the swing. Swing is the entire move. It should not be, there should not be any break. It should be smooth. So for me, this is a clear swing. If you see here, the market stayed sideways. This is also a swing, but this is the first swing that we are looking at, the nearest swing. So we want to enter when the stock price comes here in this zone or in this zone. So what we do is, after marking the Fibonacci zones, take a box and mark the entry zones. So now we have marked our entry zones. Now we will go to 5 minutes and wait for the market to come near our entry zone. Okay, you can see here the other import stock has come to our first buying zone. So here what you do is I'm removing the targets and stop loss to make the chart a little bit clearer. Once it touches this line, take a normal entry like you do in 5 minutes chart. There's a flag, blue arrow, buy signal, flag, and blue arrow. So this will be your entry here, right here. Okay, above the gray area here, you are entered. So for this, your stop loss will be below this area, somewhere here. Okay, once you have taken the entry, you will go back to your initial time frame, right? Big over. So now you have to plot the targets. So obviously the top of the swing is the obvious target. So I recommend to book some profits here. Also what you should do is make a reverse Fibonacci. Now this area is critical. Let's go to 5 minutes again. You had an entry here. This zone is the critical. Once this zone crosses, then the first target will be easily done. You can note this here, there is high volume, but it did not continue down. Went in a range, then up. Suppose if there is a high volume here and it's coming down, so you have to start managing your trade. What I suggest is after hitting here this zone and the stock come back to your buy price, exit half. You can always add more when once the price is above you. This is how you should manage the trade. So once you book first target near the swing highs, you book first target here, then wait for brown arrow for the second exit. You can ride the wave. For example, if you had bought somewhere here, you booked at first target somewhere, then the brown arrow is not yet formed. So you are trailing. See another example, any class. Here you can see it's a clear consolidation and a breakout test continuation pattern. You can trade in this time frame itself On early time frame, no need to go into 5 minutes. You can go into 5 minutes for entry here on break test. Let's see. Breakout test continuation on hourly time frame, but entry in 5 minutes time frame. So this was the breakout. This is a test area. You can see the buy signal with flag is here. You can enter here. This is how you trade breakout test continuation. The stop loss will be below this area. Now you can see I marked the swing already here. So this is a swing. This is the point where it touched the fib zone. I called it 0.5 to 0.618 as the golden fib. The fib zone. I'll refer to this as fib zone. This is the lower fib zone and this is the initial fib zone. So what I'll do is I'll first show my swing trade in Reliance. See, I have marked the fib zones here. So in hourly it came to the lower fib zone. Then go into the 5 minute chart for entry, right? So this was my entry here. And this was my entry. You see, after the fifth rejection from the fifth zone, flag was confirmed here first, but the gray area was here, so I waited. And here, after the gray areas were broken, I entered normally as I entered in the intraday. The stop loss is below this, right? 2346 was my stop loss. I enter on this candle, 2446. So it's what it was, a 100 point SL. So we had a gap up that day. So I moved on the gap up some quantity here. Now I'm waiting for next leg. So I think the idea is clear, how to select stocks, how to draw the Fibonacci, and how to entry, how to take an entry. We'll see one more example. Let's see Asian Paint. You see here we have the blue arrow here in hourly time frame. So what we do is we'll take the swing low here. Okay, we are looking to enter here. Or here. So we mark the zones. We go into 5 minutes. You see here the 5 minute chart. We had an entry here. The flag. So gray area here. You can enter next day or breakout here of the gray area. You can extend the gray area. This is a break test continuation. You can enter here. So just find an entry in the 5 minutes, like the usual intraday entry. Stop loss will be below this area, right? Once you book, okay, once you take entry, you go into 1 hour time frame again. You book something here, and you wait for the maroon arrow. So I think you are still riding the wave here. You have entered. There's no maroon arrow. So this is how to trade. If you have any questions, please ask. Fifth zone, I have already informed how to mark the fifth zone. You can check out the video. Once again, I will show you. So basically, we are looking at this swing. So for clear understanding, let's take any other stock. Okay, I'll remove the Profitkhoj indicator. You have to look at the swing. So swing for me, swing low is this, and swing high is this. Let's say in Profitkhoj indicator, you see once a blue arrow is formed, check out the low of the before the blue arrow, right? And the high after the blue arrow. So this might help you to mark the fifth zone. So this is the fifth zone. So we are waiting for market to come here to take an entry. Entry will be same like the intraday. Exit will be different. Exit obviously book near the highs. Mark the inverse. For example, okay, market came here and starting to bounce. So what you do is you mark the inverse wave. You select the wave from here to the low. You mark these areas for exits. So you keep an eye on these areas. If you are a safe trader, do 1/3 here, 1/3 here, and ride 1/3. Or else, once the market is here, keep stop loss at buy, book half here, then ride half, the rest of the half. You have to manage your trades. So once you are in substantial profit, don't take a loss on that trade. You can re-enter always, no issues. Don't wait in hope. And don't be in more than 4 trades at a time. It will be difficult to manage. For me, it is difficult to manage more than 4 trades at a time. So I recommend, if you are In 4 trades, just manage those 4 trades. Once you get some exit in some other trade, then only look for the next trade. Is that clear for everyone now? You can go back and check the video from the beginning, from where I start. I think there are no questions. When you watch the video, for those guys who will be watching the video later, ask the questions on WhatsApp. I'll try to resolve them if possible in the next stream or in the group itself. Inverse flip zone is for booking the profits. You have to book profits in those areas. So those who have even lesser time, I'll suggest go to daily time frame. This will be your mother time frame, like for the analysis. Then take entry in 30 minutes. Same like we do in 5 minutes. For entry in 5 minutes, our mother time frame is 1 hour. Right? Let's see an example of daily. Here you can see so swing low is the low below the blue line, right? This is the swing low, this is the swing high. We don't retrace up to here, that's okay. So here is a flag pattern you can trade. Always trade flag patterns and all. That's a different scenario. Swing high. The initial prints we got the swing high. It came here. Then after that, I think that was gapped up. Yeah, this is your entry, right? After touching the flip zone, this is your entry. You enter here, stop loss will be here. So this is how to trade. Like in other time frame, you are looking for the stock that is uptrend. Then go back to low time frame for entry. You mark the areas in the higher time frame, and then just keep monitoring them. It is once in a day, and keep another watch list for the stock that are near to your big zone, so you can monitor them more frequently. And you can also add alerts. Okay, I want to show you how to put an alert on the Nifty or Bank Nifty. So in Nifty, yesterday I was lucky to have this alert feature to allow me to trade. So you can see here, go to alerts. In conditions, you have to select the stock scores indicator, not the Profitkhoj, stocks Khoj. Okay. Then you have to select trend change direction. So this will give you both buy and sell, not only one direction. It will give you both. So you have to select once per bar or once per bar close. Then you can select email, notify on app. You can use this. So here, Nifty futures, then create. This is how create an alert on Nifty. Is there any questions from anyone? You can create those alerts if you are having a paid version of the trading view. You can create an alert for each and every stock. I think they allow for around 400 alerts. I think this swing trading is clear for. If you have any questions, you can ask. Uh, I also want to discuss some intraday setups. How to take entry in intraday setups. I'll show you an example. In Nifty and Bank Nifty, liquidity is too high. So once the setup is formed, the market do not retrace as much, and it usually catches momentum. But in stocks, it's not so easy. So once a signal is formed, even then we have a retracement. Okay, let's see here. Honey bolts, sell entry with flag. Suppose there is also price action confirmation. Yeah. So usually we enter here in Nifty, but for stocks, after buy signal, I want you to wait for a retracement. Then again, a close below the orange line, you can sell. If this is the buy signal, get a retracement and close above. You can see here flag. This is a sell signal. Wait for some retracement. Enter. But yes, flag did not generate here. That's why entry. See here, buy signal, everything with flag. But it, if you buy here, it just stop loss, right? So that's why I'm insisting on a retracement first, then entry. See a sell, retracement, entry. This is proper entry. You can see any other stock also. See here, buy signal, flag, everything. Wait for retracement, then enter here. So it will help you reduce the stop losses, the stocks that are hitting the stop losses. Because in stocks the liquidity is very less, so it will there's a high chance of retracement even after momentum is gained. See a buy signal, retracement. This is a proper entry. See sell signal, You wait for retracement, you cannot confirm. See, buy signal, retracement, it should touch the line. And here you can see this is the entry. This is also break test continuation. See, everything is confirmed here. Buy signal, retracement, entry. If you wait here for some retracement, it will be good. See, this is a buy signal, retracement, and entry. I think you have a basic understanding now how to look for trades in stocks. If there is some news in stock, then it could be traded like the index, but on most days, better to wait for retracement. See, sell entry here, retracement, then entry here. This is the buy signal, flag, everything is confirmed. Don't buy yet, wait for retracement. Again about it, you can enter here. See here, if you had took this trade, stop loss was hit. But if you have waited for retracement, you will never enter this trade. Okay, that's about the stocks. What else? Another trick I will share with you for intraday stock selection. Okay, I have prepared another list by going into settings of this indicator as I have showed you before. I just go to indicator settings. You can change here whatever you want. You can do. You can add or delete the scripts as required. Just make sure to add the same script that is in training view. You can see our previous video on stocks per indicator for that. So here, uh, if you're looking to buy, check which all sector are in uptrend, right? So for example, infra and metal and auto are in uptrend. Okay. So during market, check for stocks that are in uptrend in that sector. So you can see JSW Steel is here, right? And auto sector, Hero Motocorp, M&M. See if we had any opportunity. So sell signal, no retracement, buy signal, retracement, did not confirm. can see Hero Moto buy signal, minor retracement, then entry here. You can take a black pattern entry here. Ideally, retracement should be like this. This is also fine. Time retracement, sideways. This is much better. Here's W. We're looking at the uptrend now. It is giving the uptrend for now. So during market hours, we have to check. So let's replay. Okay, we'll just replay the chart and see what we have. So now the time is 9:25. The market is open. So let's check. Which sectors are in uptrend. Where has it gone? What? What's happening? Okay, you can see now Bank Nifty is in uptrend. Then media, infra, metal, auto. Media and infra. Okay, media and infra. So I don't think there is much media and infra stocks in these stocks which indicator for me, but infra stocks I know some. So let's check identity. Okay, this LNT. We have a buy signal right here. This is a gray area. Mark this gray area. So this is the break, test and continuation. This gray area is formed because of this sell signal. So it's not that important for me. If it is much further, then this gray area will be of importance. Or if you want, you can also consider this and take entry beyond. Okay, that was not yesterday. This was yesterday. So flag was generated on this breakout. Which hit first target. So you get an idea like how to scan stocks with the stocks for indicator. Okay, one more thing about the relative volume indicator. See how to use it. I give you a small idea. You can see the relative volume at the top is high here. Okay, and during breakout the relative volume is relatively low. So this is a good breakout. This is how to use them basically. So on breakout the relative volume should be low. Here you can see any other example. You can see here the area breakout, the relative volume is so low, right? Okay, you see Nifty yesterday's Nifty. In Nifty we are taking recent breakout, right? You see how the indicator is behaving. Okay, we have taken this breakout, right? See the relative volume on this candle. It's far less. This is a good breakout. See here, similar thing, right? On breakout there is not much volume, but later it increased, leading to downside. It was good until here. You see here, this is end of the day, like it's mostly short covering. But you can see how this candle closed. So the close of this candle and the volume is really low. And this is probably short covering after that. Uh, which breakout we took recently. This we discussed already. See, breakout candle, relative volume is very less. Yeah, see here, another breakout here. Look at the volume. This is the volume. This is the breakout candle here. See, look at the volume. It's not too high, so it's good. Okay, breakout volume is less. Now this breakout volume is very high. You see here, relatively high volume on this breakout, so it reversed a little bit. The break test confirmation is low volume. You see here higher volumes than recent candles. This is the break test confirmation we have taken. It is still lower than these volumes earlier supply. It cannot be totally black and white. You have to take some assumption of okay, how the candle is closing to. Okay, that is also important. If there is selling in this, it will not be closing on the top. not just judge by the volume. The volume will help. So I think that's it. The questions. We will end this session. If there's any question, ask me in the group or on the YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys. Happy week, happy trading week. See you in another session for why next. Till then, bye.